It's this is really fucking wild. Well, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So this is it. This is the Husaberg TE 300. It is what it is. There are some damages on the bike, as we kinda discussed earlier. The plastic covers ain't really in that great of a shape, as you can see, or maybe you can't, I'm not sure. There's a crack in the plastic. I'm gonna probably replace that soon. These side panels, not the worst, not the best. The headlight is not original Husaberg, as you can see. It's probably Husqvarna or something like that. But other than that, the engine feels really great, and yeah, like I said, there are some damages because, you know, this bike isn't really brand new, if you will. It's more like dang fucking used. So yeah, that's that. What do I plan? There are some things that needs to be replaced even now at this point in time. As you can see, there's probably a small leak right here at the wheel, but I'm not sure about that. I'm gonna have to check it out when I get back home. Some pieces of and stuff I need will be there really soon, but it's just minor stuff. But yeah, it's a beautiful day out here. A lot different than I'm used to, because it's quiet, no cars, no people, nothing, just me and freedom, if you will. So yeah, that's first part of the video done. Oh, welcome back, guys. Well, I know these videos kinda ain't lining up perfectly, as you can see, because I'm in a different kinda place, and yeah, I tried some roads in this forest, and I got lost kinda, so I found my own way through this shit. And excuse all this kinda lame enduro shit, but I'm really not comfy on this bike yet, so I'm taking it really, how do you say it, really chill, cause I kinda love my life and I want to preserve it and stay alive for as long as I fucking can, and this bike actually tries to shorten my life. So yeah, I'm taking it really slow and kinda calm. Man, I'm still not used to this pull in the bottom of the RPMs. It's really insane. You just just turn the throttle a little bit and this bike just fucking flies off, and you just hold on to this beast with all your strength, because it's not really that easy. The power is really there, as you can see and hear. It's this is really fucking wild beast, mate. Whoa! But man, this bike gets the juices flowing, I gotta tell ya. Adrenaline rush on this bike is really high, really high. I mean, it is kinda highly addictive, this bike. I don't know what's the best part of it, the dangerous part, or just the pure fun of this. Maybe both things combined, but yeah. Like I said, it's tough, not easy, definitely not easy bike to control and handle and live with, because you really have to have some skills on the bikes, because this bike, man, I guess this bike will really punish your mistakes, and it will punish your mistakes hard as fuck, in my opinion. So you really got to be careful with bike like this and with the power that this bike has, and it has fucking a lot of it. A lot of it. A lot of fucking power for this small engine, really. This is really amazing. But yeah, I guess we are coming kinda closer to the end of this video. So yeah, just a peaceful ride on the field, so I don't piss a lot of people off. And yeah, that's Husaberg 300 for you. So take care, ride safe, and peace out.